JPMorgan Chase's legal cost breakdown. The acquisition of Frank led to significant financial liabilities for JPMorgan Chase. The following visual breaks down the key aspects and costs associated with this legal challenge. Total legal cost incurred. JPMorgan Chase's total financial burden due to legal challenges $115 million. Reason for cost: payments stemming from legal rulings and indemnification clauses, fraudulent customer numbers, Delaware court ruling, indemnification clause. Key stakeholders involved: individuals and entities central to the legal dispute and its resolution. JPMorgan Chase, Charlie Javis, Frank founder. Olivier Amar, Frank co-founder. Lessons for corporate governance. Key takeaways for financial institutions from this high-profile case: enhanced due diligence, scrutiny of indemnification, robust risk management, understanding the legal costs. JPMorgan Chase's $115 million tab. In the world of finance, acquisitions can be both a strategic advantage and a potential pitfall. A prime example is JPMorgan Chase's recent acquisition of Frank, a move that has led to significant legal costs and scrutiny. The fallout from this acquisition stems from fraudulent actions by Charlie Javis and Olivier Amar, who inflated customer numbers to make the company appear more valuable than it was. This situation raises critical questions about due diligence and the responsibilities of financial institutions. As we delve into this case, it's essential to understand how the actions of a few can lead to extensive repercussions for large entities like JPMorgan. The fraud not only impacted the acquisition's validity, but also triggered a series of legal challenges that would ultimately cost the company $115 million. The background of the Frank acquisition and its fallout. JPMorgan Chase's acquisition of Frank was intended to enhance their digital offerings and attract younger customers. However, the fraudulent inflation of customer data by Javis and Amar led to a significant misrepresentation during the due diligence process. As a result, JPMorgan found itself grappling with not just financial loss, but also reputational harm. Inflated customer numbers misled JPMorgan into overvaluing Frank. The actions raised concerns about the adequacy of the acquisition vetting process, increased scrutiny from regulators and investors regarding corporate governance practices. This case underscores the importance of rigorous verification processes in mergers and acquisitions. Companies must be vigilant and thorough to avoid similar pitfalls, as the consequences can ripple through their financial health and market position. Legal rulings and the indemnification clause explained. The Delaware court's ruling placed the onus of legal fees on JPMorgan, stemming from the indemnification clauses included in the merger agreement. This ruling means that JPMorgan, despite being a victim of fraud, is responsible for covering the legal costs incurred by the convicted fraudsters, Javis and Amar. This case highlights how disputes over compensation can become a common area of hostility between firms and their employees, as seen in other instances where JPMorgan Securities was on the hook for millions to an advisor. This outcome illustrates the complex nature of legal agreements in corporate transactions. Companies often include indemnification clauses to protect themselves from unforeseen liabilities, but as seen here, such provisions can lead to unexpected financial burdens. Understanding these clauses is crucial for any organization engaging in mergers and acquisitions.